AMCOM ngayon, parang kakaiba dun sa mga naunang preparations ng mga rally. Bakit po ganito yata yung sitwasyon? Mukhang kakaiba.
Ano naman, di ba mas maganda na ang ating armed forces ay parating nakahanda. So, ang ating armed forces, particularly here at the National Capital Regional Command, we are fully committed to the democratic processes, and that is what we will always be, to strengthen democracy. And so yung kahandaan namin is part of our effort to ensure that if ever there will be some attempts to power grab, they will not succeed.
Aside from power grab, yung pong sinasabing may mga banta ng terorismo at saka yung Gemas na Mia particularly, dahil kanina sinabi na po ni General Rason na isang dayuhan ang hawak na ng PNP. Ito ho ba'y confirm na rin na yung pong sinasabi ninyong Abu Sayyaf, confirm na po ba ito, General?
I am aware na may nahuli na ang PNP together with the AFP elements, but right now I cannot give any details